present to you our technical plan regarding our boutique hotel. So the name of our boutique hotel is Arcadia Boutique Hotel. This boutique hotel project in Balete, Jardín, Nueva Vizcaya features a two-story, 1,422 square meters layout on a 2.0-hectare lot along the National Highway. It offers 6 well-appointed rooms, a restaurant, function room, pool, and gym, designed with a rustic elegance theme. The hotel highlights eco-friendly features and personalized service. Its strategic location near tourist sites like Lower Magan Ecotourism Park or Elmed makes it ideal for leisure and business travelers seeking comfort and nature-inspired experiences. And here is our proposed location for our boutique hotel. It is located to the National Highway, Barangay Balete, Jardín, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. Coordinates approximately 16.6727 degrees north and 121.3032 degrees east.
Let's move on to the next, which is the site justification, accessibility. The property lies along the National Highway, Maharlika Highway AH26, offering excellent visibility and access to travelers heading to or from the Cagayan Valley and Banawe Bayan of Ifugao Province. The road is frequented by both private and public transport, making the location convenient for tourists and business travelers alike. The site is approximately 23 km from Bagabag Airport, which serves direct flights to Clark. It also lies along the major corridor used by buses such as Victory Liner and Florida Transport connecting Manila to Isabela and Cagayan. Jadi is considered a gateway to ecotourism destinations in northern Luzon, and tourism development is supported by LGU initiatives promoting agritourism, waterfalls, and cultural experiences. The large land area allows for expansion into farm stay, glamping, or wellness resort facilities. Next is the tourist attractions nearby within Jadi or reachable within 30 to 45 minutes. Lower Magat Ecotourism Park, Jadi, a 1,000-hectare nature park with campsites, tree houses, wildlife, and picnic areas. It offers ecotourism activities such as boating and forest trails. Salinas Salt Spring, Bambang, a natural salt spring known for its mineral-rich water and historical significance. Balete Pass Natural Shrine, Santa Fe, a historic World War II site located along the National Road to Nueva Ecija, popular with the local and international history buffs. Kapisaan Cave System, Kasibu, one of the longest cave systems in the Philippines, attracting spelunkers and ecotourists. And last, Imugan Falls, Santa Fe, a scenic 35-foot waterfall with a natural trail experience popular among nature trekkers.
So the competitor analysis. Well, Jadi has limited hotel competition surrounding towns and highways, features several accommodation options. However, none provides the boutique mid-range experience with curated amenities. Our hotel will offer the competitor analysis. Hotel named the Sophia Hotel. Location is National Highway, Barangay Bangot, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Type, guest house. Key features, affordable rates, clean rooms near the main road, hillside resort and restaurant, National Highway, Barangay Homestead, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, resort and restaurant, drive-in and lodging, event space, highway access, GM Lodge, National Road, Barangay Bangot, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, lodge, basic amenities near transport routes, Bernabe Valley Homes, Barangay San Antonio North, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Hotel, quiet location, simple accommodation. Next is the visibility and transportation. The site is along the Pan-Philippine Highway in Jali, ensuring high visibility and easy access. Buses and vans from Tuguegarao, Santiago, Solano, and Manila pass regularly. Bagabag Airport, about 35 kilometers away, connects to Clark. The location serves as a convenient stop for travelers heading to Cagayan Valley and the Cordillera region. Our Purpose Boutique Hotel will stand out as the first upscale branded accommodation in Jali, targeting mid-range guests, family vacationers, nature lovers, and road trippers along the Northern Luzon tourism route. The site can also cater to events and overnight stays for guests visiting the Lower Magat Ecotourism Park. This is the site vicinity map.
Site specification, lot size 2.0 hectares, 20,000 square meter, total floor area 1,422 square meter, first floor 122 square meter, second floor 300 square meter, zoning compliance, agricultural to be converted to tourism, commercial use pending LDU clearance.
This is the facilities and physical layout, data view, and front elevation. And the right side elevation and the left side elevation. The rear view and the perspective view. The first floor and the second floor.
For the space allocation table, the area and zone, guest room total for the approx area square meter, 14 square meter. Percent of total space, 1,108%. For the lobby and reception, 40.48 square meter. For total space, 1,081.52%. For the restaurant cafe, 27.47 square meter and 1,094.53%. For the function room meeting area, 19.56 square meter and the percent of total space is 1,102.44%. For the kitchen pantry, the approx area is 9.8 square meter and the percent total office space is 1,112.2%. For the laundry area, 7 square meter and 1,115%. Administrative office, 40.48 square meter and 1,081.52 square meter. For the housekeeping room, 12.25 square meter and 1,109.75%. For the storage and utility rooms, 7.98 square meter and 1,114.2%. For parking area, if any, 73.65 square meter and 1,048.35%. And last, others, pool, gym, etc., 368 square meter and the total space percent is 754%. For the design concept, the theme and branding, rustic elegance, blending Filipino architecture with nature and modern comfort. For the color palette and materials, earth tones, warm woods, neutral stone finishes. For furnishing and fixtures, locally crafted furniture, energy-saving lights, and eco-friendly room amenities. For the exterior design and landscaping, a rustic modern style with native plants, garden paths, and a calming one
Teacher.
So moving on to the room design and configuration. We have here 3 columns: the room type, quantity, and features. For the standard room, we have 4: queen bed, private bath, desk, and Wi-Fi. For the deluxe room, we have 2, and the features is king bed, balcony, minibar, and smart TV. This is the sample room layout and dimensions.
Equipment and furnishing plan. Equipment list per area. Area, guest room, bed, aircon, smart TV. Double size wall mounting, estimated cost 1 million. Lobby, reception desk, and sofa. Custom wood finish, estimated cost 500. Kitchen, industrial stove fridge. Description: 6 burner 2-door chiller, cost 1 million. Restaurant, dining tables and chairs, 440 packs. Estimated cost 700,000. Function room, projector and sound system for meetings and events. Estimated cost 300,000. Laundry area, washing machines, dryer, folding tables. Commercial grade equipment, estimated cost 300,000. Admin office desk, chair, computer equipment, basic office setup, 200,000. Housekeeping room, cleaning cart, shelves, supplies. Organized storage for cleaning tools, 100,000. Storage utility, racks and bins for dry goods supplies and tools, estimated cost 80,000. Parking area, signage, lighting, security cameras, safe and organized vehicle space, 150,000. And others like pool, gym, and etc. Lodge, chairs, umbrellas, treadmills, weight. Outdoor relaxation amenities and basic fitness equipment, estimated cost 900,000. Workflow and movement, staff workflow diagram, from back of house to front of house service. Service corridors from kitchen to restaurant, direct laundry room, access to room. Guest movement flow, check-in to check-out process, entry lobby, room to restaurant to recreation. Housekeeping and laundry flow. Efficient layout near linen and service access point.
Safety, sanitation, and accessibility. A safety compliance measure. Fire exits, smoke alarm extinguishers, CCTV, security staff, emergency lighting and signage. B. Sanitation plan. Daily cleaning schedule, eco-friendly product, septic tank, waste disposal system, cleanliness protocols for rooms and F&B areas. C. Accessibility features, PWD, accessible room, elevator, handrails, ramps and grab bars. Construction timeline. Phase. Design and planning, architect permits, June-August 2025. Site preparation, land clearing, September 2025. Construction, structural work, October-March 2026. Interior finishing, interior setup, April-May 2026. Furnishing and equipment, installation, June 2026. Trial operation, soft opening, July 2026.
For the technical and service requirements, the key technical specs, HVAC system details, energy efficient ACs and ventilations, plumbing and drainage system, water saving fixtures, hot water system, electrical plan overview, LED lighting, solar panels, genset backup. For the service providers, the architect or interior designer,
Builders Takey Development Corporation Nueva Vizcaya. The construction contractor, the Builders Takey Development Corporation Nueva Vizcaya, and for the equipment suppliers, RC Celestino Builders. For the capital expenditure summary, we have here the category and estimated cost. For the land lease, 3,500,000. For the construction and finishing, 25 million. Furnishings and equipment, 5,400,000. For the utilities and tech systems, 2,500,000. Design and consultant fees, 1,500,000. Permits and licenses, 600,000. In the total of 38,500,000. So that ends our presentation.